Tired of the Onmain Library DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. Before we dive into the Onmain library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Onmain library, the primary game engine entry point. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the game loop, handling the initialization of subsystems like audio, physics, and input. Failure usually results in a fatal crash during the splash screen. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Onmain is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Onmain library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Onmain Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Onmain library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Onmain library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.